shells. These are the 5-inch Nishiki Blast by Raccoon Fireworks. This was $35. These shells are just Nishiki willows with some colors. There's your effects right there. I like the box. It's really shiny and iridescent. Here's your instructions down there. There's a little QR code. If you want to scan that real quick, send you another video of these. Just an official demo of the video, or the firework. Some fireworks have those QR codes so you can see what they do, but gold wrapped shells. I have no idea what that is for. It just says 15. Just a sticker. Yeah, there's 6 assorted canister shells in here. Let's open it up and see what's inside. There's your warning thing. Here's the tube. It's got the same kind of graphics as the box. Whoever made that box did a horrible job. So first off, okay, these shells, they list the effects, but they don't have numbers. I mean, it is a 6-pack. I don't know if they sell 24 packs of these shells. I think they do sell 12 packs, but I'm not sure about the 24 packs. But yeah, this shell right here is Nishiki Willow with peach. I don't know if you can see that, but shiny wrap on there. Then we have Nishiki Willow, just a regular Nishiki Willow, or I like to call them Nishiki Cameros. Nishiki Willow with green. My mom's favorite color is green, she'll like that one. Nishiki Willow with gold strobe. I think that might actually be a lace effect. I don't know, maybe it is strobe. I saw a video of these and I thought it was a lace effect. Maybe it isn't, but Nishiki Willow with blue. That's gonna be my favorite one. Then the last one we have Nishiki Willow with teal. I think maybe I'll like that one better than the blue one because it's brighter. I like the lighter colored blues than the darker colored blues. So yeah. And then I'll have there's a nice concrete plug down there, you can see. But yeah, I'll have my GoPro with us and we'll get a danger cam. I think maybe sometime in the future I'll probably end up buying another GoPro, or maybe I can find a good camera that is meant for distant shots. Maybe I can get a third camera view. So a first person camera view, close-up camera view, and then maybe we can do distant shots. I've noticed some YouTubers do that. So I thought I'd give that a try. Get 3 different shots of the firework that I'm doing. Probably only gonna do the distant shots with aerials though, but yeah. So, yeah, anyways, let's go down to the shoot area and shoot these off and see what they do. I just realized that I pronounced that one word wrong. It's actually it's really hard to pronounce sometimes. It's a Camaro, or a Camaro, yeah, something like that. I think it's just a different name, or maybe there is a difference, but I don't think there really is much of a difference if there is a difference, but yeah. And these shells are probably going to be really good because I like these types of willows, so. Okay, first shell is a normal Nishiki willow. That was nice. That hung all the way down to the ground. See some sparks in the water too. Oh shoot, I forgot to turn the GoPro on. You'll know what it looks like, because all of them are pretty much the same, so. Alright, next up we have Nishiki willow with green. Sounds like thunder. Those shells are good. I think the newer ones are kind of watered down, so I must have got the good ones. Alright, next we have Nishiki willow with blue. That one kind of broke low, but that was pretty. I like blue, so I think the next one is teal. Next we have Nishiki willow with teal. These willows hang really low. I love them. That blue teal was really good. Looked more like cyan actually. Now we have Nishiki willow with peach. That was pretty. Okay, the last shell we have Nishiki willow with gold strobe. I think that one was the best one. That was beautiful. I love that one. I love these shells. They're not the best in terms of height and loudness, but the effects are amazing. The reason I said I don't like the height and loudness is because these shells are, they're average in loudness, which is okay. I mean, they're not perfect. I mean, no shell is perfect. I mean, it's really hard to get perfect shells and fireworks. But, and the height, these shells actually broke really low. As you can see, some of them I didn't really get in frame all the way, which is why I might start using the wide angle when I'm doing shells. It makes it look smaller, but I want to be able to get the whole thing in frame. So yeah, and yeah, these shells are pretty good. They kind of actually remind me of the world-class Excalibur shells. The height and sound is kind of similar to these, so I do plan on getting those for a review, those and the Excalibur Platinums. Those are 5-inch. The only thing about the platinums is I think they're about the same as the 4-inch ones. They're just a little bit bigger brakes, same effects, maybe a little bit higher. They're not much different, but yeah. Excalibur Platinums, Excaliburs, hopefully I can find those. But yeah, these shells are pretty good. Nishiki Blast 5-inch by Raccoon Fireworks. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Oh, also, I want to show you something really cool. Turn the light off. That's pretty neat. I could like install a light and make a night light. That's pretty cool. I need a little bit of a brighter light and clean out the tube, but that's pretty cool.